Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about compassion, what it really means, how we live it out in caring for others and the environment, and why communal discernment is so important in making our university and the wider world compassionate place. Let's begin with a basic question. What is compassion? Compassion is more than just feeling sorry for someone. It comes from the Latin compati, which means to suffer with. So, compassion is about being deeply moved by suffering of others and being motivated to do something about it. It's an active, not passive response. It involves both the heart and the will. When you see someone hurting or struggling, or even when the earth itself is in distress from pollution, climate change, or deforestation, compassion says, I see this, I care, and I will act. So, how do we express compassion in real, tangible ways? Let's talk about caring for others first. Compassion is expressed when we stand up for someone who is being bullied. It's present when we offer help to someone in need, not just when it's convenient, but even when it's uncomfortable. In a university like Pan Pacific University, compassion shows up when listen to one another. When we make space for people from different backgrounds and stories, and when we work to ensure that no one is left behind, socially, emotionally, or academically. But compassion isn't just for people, it also extends to how we treat the environment. When we reduce waste, conserve water, recycle, or advocate for policies that protect our ecosystem, we're showing compassion for the earth, our common home. We are recognizing that the earth too is suffering, and the future generations will bear the consequences of how we treat it today. At Pan Pacific University, when students or faculty work on sustainability projects or call for eco friendly practices, they are showing compassion, not just to nature but to humanity as a whole, especially to the poor and vulnerable who are often hit hardest by environmental destruction. But here's the thing, compassion isn't always easy to act on. We live in a complex world. We don't always know what the right action is, and that's where communal discernment comes in. So, what is communal discernment? Discernment is the process of reflecting, listening, and praying or thinking deeply about what path we should take. Communal discernment means doing that together, listening not just to our own conscience, but to each other. It's about engaging dialogue, weighing different perspectives, and making decisions rooted in shared values. At Pan Pacific University, for example, communal discernment might look like student groups coming together with faculty to decide how to respond to a crisis, whether that's racial injustice, poverty in surrounding area, or environmental challenges on campus. It means slowing down, listening to those most affected, and asking, what is the most compassionate response we can make together? Communal discernment builds empathy. It reminds us that we don't carry the weight of compassion alone. We share it, we act as one body, and this is powerful. Because when a whole community chooses to live with compassion, real change becomes possible. Universities like Pan Pacific University can become spaces of justice, peace, inclusion, and sustainability, not just in theory, but in practice. And when we carry that same spirit into the wider world, we can help shape a society that is less driven by competition or division and more rooted in solidarity and hope. To conclude, compassion is the deep active desire to relieve suffering of people and the planet. It is lived out in everyday actions, big and small, and it becomes transformative when we engage in communal discernment, when we choose together to listen, reflect, and act in ways that uplift the dignity of all. Let's continue to grow in compassion, not just as individuals, but as a community. Let's make Pan Pacific University and the world more just, more humane, and more whole. Thank you.